We're on board Quinta Essentia, which is a beautiful boat and very, very spacious, and probably has the best spa services that I've seen of all the yachts that we're looking at the show here. Here we have 4 of the cabins, which are fantastic for family. You've got 2 doubles here that are actually connected by doors to these areas. So great if you want to have the kids in one room and the parents in another. One really cool feature is that it's actually directly connected to this area here, which is the spa area. It's quite unique, I think, to have this much space dedicated to a spa. Sometimes at the back of the beach club, there'll be a sauna, there'll be a space, but here you've got a full massage room connected to the shower here. Over here, in this room here, you've got the sauna. In here. And then you've got this really nice lounge area that's connected to this side deck, which is such a great feature to have. So it's a complete spa and a complete service. So you can spend, a few people can come in here and spend some time in here enjoying all the services. It's unusual to have the cabins directly connected to the spa area, which is also directly connected to the deck back here. You've got so much space out here. It's a nice big platform. Comes down, and this is a great space to enjoy the water toys, but you could also set up a table here and enjoy. But the idea that you can have this space connected to the spa, connected to the cabins, is a fantastic feature. So if you're interested in booking Quinta Essentia, please get in touch with DMA. We'd be really, really happy to help connect you with this yacht.